If you're into streaming media on your Raspberry Pi, then you may have already heard of OSMC. This brilliant open source app is a Linux distro built entirely around Kodi, which means that it basically lets you access Kodi's world of video streaming through a very nice interface. Hi, this is Phil from Make Tech Easier, and this is how to install OSMC on your Raspberry Pi. If you want to use the Kodi Media Center on your Raspberry Pi, you have a few options. You can either install it on your chosen Linux distribution like Raspbian, or you can also run it standalone using OSMC. OSMC was designed and built with the Raspberry Pi in mind, and here's how you can install OSMC on your model of Raspberry Pi. Downloading OSMC. If you want to install OSMC, you have two options. You can either download an OSMC disk image and flash it yourself using software like Banana Etcher, or you can use an all-in-one OSMC download and flashing tool available for Windows and Mac OS users. The easiest tool to use is the all-in-one tool. Windows and Mac users can download the OSMC installer and follow the following instructions to begin the installation process. If you're on Linux, however, the all-in-one tool isn't available for you to use. So download the latest OSMC disk image instead and unpack the img.gz file ready to flash to your SD card. Flashing OSMC to an SD card on Windows and Mac OS. Once you've downloaded the OSMC installer on Windows or Mac OS, open it to begin. At the initial installation screen, select your language and OSMC device. In this case, select your model of Raspberry Pi. The new Raspberry Pi Model 4 isn't currently listed in the OSMC installer. If you're installing OSMC on a Raspberry Pi 4, select the Raspberry Pi 2 and 3 option. Once you're ready, click the arrow button to proceed. You'll select the version of OSMC to install in the next menu. The versions are dated, so select the latest release, or if that doesn't work, the one before that, and then click the forward arrow button to proceed to the next menu. Select where you want to install OSMC to. The likeliest option for your Raspberry Pi is to run OSMC from your SD card, so make sure that from an SD card is selected. Click the forward arrow to proceed. The next menu will allow you to configure your Raspberry Pi's network settings in advance. If you plan on using a wired Ethernet connection, select wired connection. If you're using your Raspberry Pi to a Wi-Fi network, choose wireless connection. Press forward arrow to proceed to the next menu. If you select wireless connection, you'll have to provide your Wi-Fi network SSID, the Wi-Fi name you connect to, and you'll also need to provide the type of encryption as well as the password key. Type in these details, double check they are correct, and then click the forward arrow to proceed. Confirm the exact location where you want OSMC to be installed, and then click the forward arrow. Finally, confirm that you agree with the OSMC license agreement, who doesn't, by clicking the checkbox. Click the forward arrow to begin flashing OSMC to your chosen SD card. Once the OSMC all-in-one installer is complete, safely remove your SD card and place it in your Raspberry Pi. Power up your Raspberry Pi and OSMC should be ready for you to use. OSMC offers you all of the Kodi experience on your Pi without needing to boot into a separate operating system first. Once OSMC is installed, you can configure it further with add-ons and custom themes. There are other ways you can put your Raspberry Pi to good use too. If you want to use your Raspberry Pi as a retro gaming machine, for example, you can install Kodi on RetroPie instead. Links for all of that in the description. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.